This isn't food, it's a system. The before was an illusion. The after reveals the truth.
In the shadows of the past, the shelves told a different story. Today, perfection is engineered. Every label, every placement, meticulously calculated. But beneath the surface of convenience lies a complex web of choices. Terms like natural and zero sugar mask a different reality. Science breaks down our sustenance into data points. Governed by precedent and strict consistency, the weight of authority versus the need for truth. Decisions made in the shadows shape the world on our plates. A world of options, yet the path is already paved.